Alright, it's your boy Nilla G and his better half the Gypsy. We're on our way to Leo Cedarville for Bloomfest, which is an arts and plants nature show at the Leo Cedarville Riverside Garden. Check this out. We're still in Hicksville. Look, sometimes Hicksville does this sort of thing. What do you think about that? But we're gonna go try to find the art in Leo Cedarville. You guys want to come along? Let's go. Drive's pretty nice too, but you can find all the information about Bloomfest at just search Bloomfest Leo Cedarville, Indiana, and it'll all come up. It is the Leo Cedarville Riverside Garden Park. There's a splash park there in the summer. They do fireworks and they do this Bloomfest. You can also rent out the pavilions, but you can check all that out online. We didn't bring Duke because we didn't see any rules about dogs during Bloomfest. I think we've had him over. I don't think we had him over there last time we were there. So I don't know if dogs are even allowed in the park. We're going to check that out while we're there. And we're going to check out Bloomfest. So hopefully we'll keep this pretty short. And
I found it on Facebook.
And the Gypsy found it on Facebook. That's how she knew about it. And we'll give you snippets. That way it's not too long.
My goodness.
So this is what we're going to, guys. We'll show you some highlights though. So as you can see, there's a ton of people here. It is $5 for parking. We're just going to walk through it once and show you everything, then we'll go back through what we want to. All right, here we go. So apparently dogs could come. I wish we would have brought ours. We weren't sure, so we didn't bring our dog. I wish we would have.
They put out a last minute posting saying that it was dog friendly.
Oh, really? I looked online before we came. I couldn't find that.
Yeah, I wasn't going to bring him until I saw that.
Yeah, but very cool. Yeah, very handsome dog. All right, they got a bunch of food trucks here. One Love. Baby got smacked. The kettle corn. The Charlie Mobile Bar. What the Fish, Fort Wayne. Authentic Cuban Cafe Cuisine. Cold. Drop it like it's time. Oh, we got some music.
I'm excited to
Oh. And the Wicked Food Good Cupcakes. Ooh, they're in a hole. That's good. Little bath station. And there's the splash park that's normally going on. Whatever you want.
Best way to do it, because it goes both ways.
It goes all over, so we're not going to be able to show you all this stuff, guys. Look at this metal art. Jim's Welding Wonders. There's our turtle. it?
But and then also the copper you can go ahead and take.
All kinds of cool copper art. Saucy pigeon saucers. Free samples.
Voodoo spells making you the man. If you haven't been, you should hurry along real soon. You're gonna need it when you go dancing under that bio moon. Bio moon.
Tie-dye for everybody.
That bio moon, dancing under that bio moon, dancing under a bio, dancing in the bio moon, dancing under a bio moon. You're gonna need it when you go there, dancing under that bio, dancing under a bio moon.
Family of artists. Hey, they're painting on site.
Maybe waving or
You can wave if you'd like. How much power? They want to govern it. Oh, really good art.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Doing well, thanks.
She makes gumbo, put hair on your chest.
Oh, some more designs. Hi, how are you?
Videotaping us?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, some nice pressed flowers. Really cool.
A Creole crawfish are the best.
Oh, cutting boards. All kinds of cool cutting boards.
You'll be hooked on for life if you taste a single spoon. You're gonna need it when you go dancing under that bio moon.
Pineapple lace jewelry. Ooh, leather work. It's all leather and masks. Ooh, that's cool.
Dancing under that bio moon, dancing under that bio moon, dancing under that bio moon, dancing under that bio moon. You're gonna need it when you go.
Paintings. Very nice. Heartwork. Oh man, now it's on both sides. So fridge.
Dancing under that bio moon. You're gonna need it when you go dancing under that bio moon.
Super awesome idea for a park. Little trick from the splash park.
You're gonna need it when you go dancing under that bio moon.
Flying pigs. That's really neat. Look, the park goes over that way towards the pond. You can watch fireworks from the water too. Pretty. Flowers are too. Epoxy inlay, $350. That's really nice, and it's a whole table with a sewing machine. That's a good price. I love the ball, the wood bowl. Very nice stuff here, but I'm kind of partial to wood.
They probably drink coffee and smoke big cigars, but I knew I had it coming. I know I can be.
Bangles? Oh, look at this art. So collected. Look at this. So much detail. Isn't that nice? Alright, and we're back. So there's the tour, right?
Yeah.
Now let's go really shop, right? Alright, so he's got peach cream going. Check this out.
We're putting that in a luggage.
Alright, so it was a really nice place. We did take a few cards in case we wanted to do some commission work. Some of the artists said that they will take whatever you give them and make it into their art. And we have a few things we want done. So, but we did get a couple things. Kimmy's going to show you real quick. Maybe.